Okay, my name's Claire Blakeway. I'm the Vice President for the Heath Park campus at Cardiff University Students' Union, and I'm next year's Student Union President. I've been invited along to help the Welsh Assembly scrutinise a bill of the Welsh Government. So we had kind of a range of people, and we was all split off into different focus groups, and within those focus groups we discussed various points that we wanted to pick up from the bill. So kind of the main points that we highlighted was the repair agreements with landlords. So I kind of came up with the idea that in the contract there should be something that kind of binds a landlord to be able to, when a tenant raises the issue of repairing something, they have like a time schedule they have to complete that repair by, or acknowledge that repair at least. So that was kind of the main points that came out of our focus group. And also we talked about the repercussions that landlords have if they break or breach their contracts. Commonly landlords breach contracts, but there's no repercussions, so it doesn't really matter to them. So I think that sometimes reflects in their standards as well, because they have lower standards because they know they can get away with it. So I was kind of voicing that they need to make sure that repercussions are good enough to stop landlords actually breaching contracts at all, and hopefully this will raise the quality and standards of housing. Okay, I really hope that the Welsh Government listened to the points that were raised from today, because I think collectively as a group we did raise some really good issues, and the good thing was the issues stem from kind of all parts of societies, from a student's perspective to the elder generation's perspective. So I think we've got some really good grounded evidence that will help them hopefully to review their bill to make sure that it applies to all of society in Wales.